Good evening, everybody, and welcome back to this late night edition of the Coronacation Bar. I'm your man, Chris Payne, and we have a good one for you here tonight. We are going to make a Paloma in the middle of a pandemic. You guessed it, we're making a Palomademic. Back on the tequila train, you know, it was our first video. We've done some whiskey, done some vodka since then. It's time for another tequila drink. Here is the Palomademic. So, now I've gone ahead and prepared a special salt for the rim of this cocktail. We have some coarse sea salt, rosemary, a little bit of pink-peppercorn, and then the zest from a grapefruit. Kind of taken mortar and pestle all together, and that's going to be right here. So we're going to take our glass, we're going to take a lime wedge, and we're going to rim this guy a couple times around. Alright, right down into that beautiful peppercorn, rosemary, and grapefruit zest salt. Just like that. And then we'll fill it with ice. Perfect. Alright, so a Paloma is a very classic tequila cocktail made with a little bit of lime juice, some grapefruit juice, and soda. So it's got kind of that sour, bitter pop. We're going to add a little bit of balance from agave to that, just so it's not too sour, too bitter. It all rounds out nicely. And then you also get the salt and the herbs from the rim. This is going to be kind of hitting every point: salty, sour, sweet, savory, all in one go. All right, so we'll get some fresh ice in our shaker. All right, we're using the Lunazul Reposado. Again, so much bang for your buck in this bottle, under $20 a fifth. And you're going to get, you know, just as good as a Patron or a Coronacation quality tequila for under 20 bucks. 2 ounces. All right. Next, we're going to add our lime juice, about 3/4 of an ounce. Love, love, love the Simply product. Simply Grapefruit is absolutely fantastic. Usually $4 or less in your grocery store, and super consistent. I didn't think of opening this yet, so we'll get the seal off of this guy. All right, 2 ounces. All right, squeeze of agave. And a shake. And then to finish that off, we're going to top it with some club soda. Really brightens up the drink, the bubbles. Kind of make you thirsty and wanting that next sip. Quickly stir. Perfect. To finish that off, we'll just garnish it with a fresh wedge. All right, let's give that a little tasty taste. Ooh. Oh yeah. There you have it, the Palomademic Reposado tequila, lime juice, agave, grapefruit juice, shake, boom, over ice. Stir in some nice bubbly soda, and then it's got that delicious herb and peppercorn salt rim. Palomademic, everybody. Enjoy. Cheers. See you in the next one.